At 562 took off from a major airport. Suddenly, the radar just disappears. Nobody knows how it happened. ANA Flight 562 is at the gate, preparing for takeoff very soon. The aircraft involved was a Boeing 747-300. It is similar to the recreation of the Boeing 747-200. It's just that the upper deck that is a little bit longer than usual. For example, the 747-200 has those spiral staircase up. So do the 747-300, I suppose. It's similar to the Boeing 747-200 is that they use the same engines and the same wingspan. So do the cockpit. Is that the upper deck is a little bit advanced. They can fit more passengers than the Boeing 747-200. It's just the same thing, but the top is just a little advanced, so more passengers can come in. More capacity. 7:04 a.m. Flight 562 is boarding. Captain Richard is the captain for ANA Flight 562. His first officer, Director Hidro, will be contacting ATC. The engineer Dodster will be checking the control panel for today. Let's go. Around 50 knots. We're about to reach 100 knots. V1, rotate. This window. V1 again, rotate. Gotta do some rudder placements here. Oh my god, the rudder placements. Gear up. Hello, this is your captain speaking. We are experiencing a little bit of a turbulence right here. Rather, it seems to be deflecting a little bit. Please fasten the seatbelts while the service train is serving. Okay, so what's our airplane backing right?
The rudder is stuck to the right.
Wait, what?
I can't move it.
Hey, pull up.
Pull up. It's bending to the right. It's bending to the right.
We're bringing that into base to the
Pull up.